Make a piece of 15 pieces like this. And now add two more rows of red pieces. Now add the red piece here in the middle and add two white pieces here and two here. And the rest of the row is red pieces. Now add here four black pieces. Like this. One white piece here and one here. One here and one here. And now add two black pieces like this. Same here. And add here three red pieces. And now fill here with red pieces. Like this. Now add here 5 red pieces. And 2 red pieces in the middle. And now glue a yellow piece like this to make a beak. And it's finished.